So one of the best features of the house, and a lot of houses now revolve around the kitchen. This is where everybody gathers, where everybody sits around and enjoys their family time. We refer to these custom kitchens. These are the things that we refer to. If you could see, fits perfectly within this space. The way we accomplish that is that before we even begin fabrication, we get the specifications that we have right here. Under counter microwave, you got your wine rack. We're looking to turn over the space back to the clients probably in about 3 to 4 weeks. For anybody that's out there that's looking to do a complete remodel, an addition, any type of construction work, we're the go-to contractor in this area. Feel free to reach out to us. Our information will be posted on the screen. We're here to help.